Birds on the earth.
Birds of North America?
Birds of North America.
Bald eagle?
Bald eagle.
American robin?
American robin.
Blue jay?
Blue jay.
Northern cardinal?
Northern cardinal.
Peregrine falcon?
Peregrine falcon.
Canada goose?
Canada goose.
Great horned owl?
Great horned owl.
Red-tailed hawk?
Red-tailed hawk.
Birds of South America?
Birds of South America.
Harpy eagle?
Harpy eagle.
Andean condor?
Andean condor.
Scarlet macaw?
Scarlet macaw.
Toco toucan?
Toco toucan.
Rufous-tailed hummingbird?
Rufous-tailed hummingbird.
Oilbird?
Oilbird.
Southern lapwing?
Southern lapwing.
Birds of Europe?
Birds of Europe.
European robin?
European robin.
Common blackbird?
Common blackbird.
Eurasian blue tit?
Eurasian blue tit.
Barn owl?
Barn owl.
White stork?
White stork.
Peregrine falcon?
Peregrine falcon.
Great spotted woodpecker?
Great spotted woodpecker.
Birds of Africa?
Birds of Africa.
African gray parrot?
African gray parrot.
Secretary bird?
Secretary bird.
Ostrich?
Ostrich.
Lilac-breasted roller?
Lilac-breasted roller.
Marabou stork?
Marabou stork.
African fish eagle?
African fish eagle.
Birds of Asia?
Birds of Asia.
Greater flamingo?
Greater flamingo.
Indian peafowl?
Indian peafowl.
Siberian crane?
Siberian crane.
Oriental magpie, robin?
Oriental magpie robin.
Himalayan mantle?
Himalayan manole.
Asian coal?
Asian coal.
Red crown crane?
Red crown crane.
Birds of Australia?
Birds of Australia.
Emu?
Emu.
Kookaburra?
Kookaburra.
Rainbow lorikeet.
Rainbow lorikeet.
Sulfur-crested cockatoo.
Sulfur-crested cockatoo.
Superb fairy wren.
Superb fairy wren.
Australian magpie.
Australian magpie.
Birds of Antarctica.
Birds of Antarctica.
Emperor penguin.
Emperor penguin.
Adelie penguin.
Adelie penguin.
South polar skua.
South polar skua.
Snow petrel.
Snow petrel.